What's up, guys? DYB Gamer here, and I am going to be playing Press the Button. So it's kind of like Would You Rather, but it's a little different. I'm gonna so yeah. So it says, so kind of, if you want this to come true, you click the button. If you don't want it to come true, you click that. So you are able to manipulate the mind of everybody that you see, but everybody that you look at appears
What's that comma just looking at?
I have no idea.
no. No.
Wow. That's like that
74% of what the, I mean, seriously. Anyways, so I just clicked good, so this will get over with. I'm sorry because my computer is extremely laggy. You instantly gain the knowledge available in any field of study, but you can never learn anything else past what you know. Well, if I put the knowledge to infinite, I press the button.
Starring Will Wheaton.
People
That
can
was Will Wheaton?
River Phoenix,
Oh my god.
Corey Feldman,
Yeah, I knew Corey Feldman.
Jerry O'Connell, isn't that
I want
Robin?
to be someone who knows a little about a lot.
Batman and
No.
Robin, Jerry O'Connell.
Okay. Let's just go.
Who played Robin? Jerry O'Connell?
So on to the next. You can make fictional characters come to life at will, as many as you like, as often as you
Can I have my phone back?
yes. That was my dad. But
Somebody else.
what? God it. But they only stay for a day. They can be summoned again, but it takes 2 months before they can return. I'm doing it. Because then you could
River
You
Phoenix.
come up with your own. If you're like that creative, in your mind.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I can see it now.
I make no sense, don't I?
Well, yeah, he is fat now. But
Yeah,
even
I make no
Circus
sense.
did.
Okay, let's go into the next question.
Didn't, Corey Feldman
No.
do-
Okay, good.
Corey Feldman do-
Okay, you can go back in time and stop 9/11, but Tumblr won't exist. Yes! Yes. Oh yes, I'm clicking that button so many times. Tumblr is an evil place. Evil. The only reason why I know about it is because I've seen some YouTubers see it and scary. It really is. And with the majority. Okay. You can eat anything you like, but your best friend has to eat bugs for the rest of their life. Stop me. I'm not the majority. least I won't have to see my friend eat bugs. Like, it's gross and I don't want my friend to eat bugs. But watching him eat bugs is just wow. Especially if he likes eating bugs. Didn't say anything about that, but if he does like eating bugs, well, great for him. Yeah. Half-Life 3 is released and is the best game ever, but you can never play it, hear, watch, or know anything about it. You only know it's amazing and you can't have it. Well, then why does it exist if I can't play it? Put it on my YouTube channel. Why not? I meant to say no. Wait, if I can never have it though, never see it or hear it. We'll never see it or hear it in my life. But when I go up to heaven, I can play it all I want to. Yeah. So, let's get back to this. You can physically, emotionally, and spiritually move any person you choose, but your inner thoughts always play out as a voice inside your head that can't be cured through therapy and is sentient. I have no idea what that says. Yeah. Okay, I have no idea. I'm just gonna press the button. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna leave that video here. So see you guys later. Let me finish this. See you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and like to my videos because I really need that. So bye bye.